The Sultans of Delhi. Beginning from the 8th century, there were repeated inventions from across the northwestern borders of India. These inventions aimed at looting the wealth, acquiring territories, and spreading Islam. The Arab inventions. The Arabs were the first to invade the Indian territories. They invaded Sindh in 712 Common Era. As a result of their victory, the provinces of Sindh and Multan came under their control. With this, the Islam started taking roots in the newly conquered lands. The slaves, the Khilji, the Tughlaq, the Sayyid, and the Lodi are the 5 dynasties who ruled Delhi. The Turkish invention, Muhammad Ghazni. 3 centuries later, Muhammad Ghazni, of Turkish origin, invaded India. Muhammad was the Sultan of Ghazni, a small kingdom in Afghanistan. He invaded India 17 times, looting and destroying prosperous cities and wealthy temples. Among such temples included Sri Krishna Temple at Mathura and the rich and sacred temple of Somnath. Muhammad Ghori. During the last quarter of the 12th century, Muhammad Ghori, who was ruling a kingdom in Afghanistan, invaded India and secured the provinces of Sindh and Punjab. When he made further advances into Indian territories, Prithviraj Chauhan, the king of Delhi and Ajmer, defeated him in a battle. However, Muhammad returned to Afghanistan. The very next year, Muhammad came to India and fought with Prithviraj and defeated him. Muhammad ordered him to be killed. So, Delhi came under the control of Muhammad Ghori. Before returning to Afghanistan, he transferred the conquered territories to his general by name Qutbuddin Aibak. Aibak started ruling as the Sultan of Delhi. The Slave Dynasty. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Sultan of Delhi. He had originally been a slave, and hence the dynasty founded by him is known as the Slave Dynasty. He strengthened the Turkish rule in India by defeating his enemies. To mark his victory, he started constructing Qutub Minar at Mehrauli near Delhi. Later, it was completed by his son-in-law Sultan Iltutmish. After Iltutmish, his daughter Razia Sultan came to power. The only female ruler during the Sultanate period was Razia. She dressed herself as a man and led army in the battlefield. Intolerant of a woman's rule, the nobles rebelled and killed her. Later, after a short period, slave dynasty came to an end. Thank you.